Draw. 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 No, no, no! I can't do it! I can't do it! I drew it once. I drew it twice. I drew it 10 times. And it's still wrong. Do you ever feel that way? When you try and nothing works? I'm not good at anything!
Red, what happened?
I wanted to draw a superhero, but I can't.
Can we see?
It's bad. Really bad.
That's okay. We just want to see your drawing. I can see you worked so hard on this.
I see his cape, right there.
You can see it? But it's still wrong! Why can't I just do it?
I know how you feel. I felt that way too.
Me too. We learned a magic word.
Yet!
Yet?
I can't draw. I can't draw yet.
Yet means you're still learning. Do you ever feel like Red?
I can't draw. Yet.
Yes! One line. Just one line.
One line?
Now one circle, slow and round.
That's his head! Ooh, that looks so cool!
It's getting better. My superhero. I did it!
Red didn't give up.
You can do it too!
I tried